There may become a point in time where you want to share this file with other people, say an architect, another consulting engineers, or a contractor. When doing this, before you give them a copy of the central file, it's a good idea to detach that copy from the central file. To do this, use the Open dialog box and browse to your central file location. Once again, you will have needed to do the original exercise in this chapter to perform this task. Browsing to that central file location, we can see that we're ready to create a new local, but we also have this option to detach from central. Clicking on Detach from Central removes the checkbox from Create a New Local. Although we're effectively opening the central file, we will not see the central file name in the title bar across the top of the screen. So when I click on Open, we then get the option to detach and preserve worksets, or detach and discard worksets. It's always a good idea to detach and preserve worksets, as in some instances, some objects may have their visibility controlled by the worksets. So anyway, we'll go with detach and preserve. We open the file, and the file has no name. We just have the name of the view. When I go to click on Save, we're being asked for a file name. So if I call this test file and click on Save, what we'll see is the Save button then goes to become a central location again. So this test file is effectively its own central file, but it bears no relation to our original file. We can now pass this file off to other team members without having any concerns over whether, if they make changes to this particular file, those changes can come back and alter our project file.